Hello, my name is Jerry and I made the pictures in this book, Wee Donkey's Treasure Hunt, written by Erica McGann. And we can see Wee Donkey with all of her treasure coming up behind her there. And looking on the back cover, there's Wee Donkey out on her adventure. Here she is on the Giant's Causeway. So I'm going to do a step-by-step drawing of Wee Donkey. It will be lots of fun if you could follow along with me. I'm using my favorite black pencil. You can use any color that you like, and it doesn't have to be a pencil. It could be your favorite marker, crayon, paintbrush, biro. So if you're ready, we can start off with Wee Donkey's head around here, and then we'll put Wee Donkey's body over here. So to do her head, we're going to do the front of her head first with a curved shape. And I'm going to go curvy line like this. That's the front of Wee Donkey's head. Then we're just going to leave a little gap at the top, and we'll put in the back of Wee Donkey's head, which will be a straight line, pretty much that long, I think. Bit of an angle. Now we have that gap. That gap is for her ears. If you guessed ears, well done. We'll just do a curvy line going up, curving a bit at the top. And then from that line there, we're going to do the other side of the ear, curving, meeting up at the top of that. We have one ear. The second ear will be just behind, so we can go from the end of our first line, curving up again, curve. Let's just see we're at the same, keep it the same height as the first one, there. And then we're going to curve back down, but watch, we will stop just when it meets the first ear, because the second one we've done is behind the first ear. Now, let's put in Wee Donkey's mouth. It'll be down here. Again, I'm going to curve. And that side, stop about here. And then the front of Wee Donkey's mouth is, you've guessed it, another curve. But rounder, much rounder actually, going up, stop here, okay, and then we can make her smile if we just go down with a little curve to here, and then back to join up with that line. You see her mouth? We can put in Wee Donkey's chin just under here, a little curve at the end of that line. Now she's starting to come together. Wee Donkey needs to see us, so we can put in her eye. Now if we look on the picture, she has a white eye patch. So we'll put in a white eye patch. It's an eggy, oval shape. And put in around here, round, about that size. Okay. Now inside the eye patch, we'll do her eye with a big letter C. You know your letter C? Curving to here. And then she has for her pupil, the black in the middle is an O, a small O shape. See? Okay. Now if you like, what I'm just going to do now, you can colour that in a bit and leave a little bit of white in the corner. So it's a highlight of some light hitting her eye. That's the only thing I'll colour, because you can colour in your donkey yourself after you've drawn her. Any colours that you like. Brown is what I would usually go for. Now the rest of her mouth. She has nostrils. That's what's missing here. She has nostrils just above her mouth, so she can breathe through those. And she's a cheeky donkey. Look, she has a tooth. There's her tooth. Oh, that's just a simple shape. 3 sides, little rectangle. That's her tooth. Now, Wee Donkey's head, almost finished. Just the inside of her, this ear here is facing us. So we can see the inside. That means we can put in just a thin little line there, and then another curving up, just in a bit from the outer edge. So we see the inside of that ear, and the other ear is facing away. Now, Wee Donkey's body. We will do a curve again, you've guessed it. Up her back. Round, And then we're going to stop when we get to here. That will be the top of her leg. So if you want to put in that curve, she's going to be standing on her 3 legs, because what we're going to do is have wee donkey taking the very first step on her adventure. So 1 leg will be stepping up. Let's just put in her belly, which is a curve about here, and we're going to leave a little gap here for that back leg, the first one we put in. Now again, curving to about there. I hope I'm not too fast. We're moving along quickly, and then we're going to do the other side of this back leg, curving again, following that shape, and it'll stop around there. Okay. So the ground will be down here. She's going to be standing on her hooves. So to get the first hoof, we're going to imagine there's a little dot just here, directly below where that join is with that 2 curves. Put a dot there. Now we can go from here straight down to that dot. And then with the other side, doing the rest of her leg. You see, it's looking like her leg now. We'll stop there. You can put in her hoof, 2 lines. And now we can see wee donkey's hoof. We've done 1 back leg. Okay, the other one will be slightly in front of that. And we can again curve a little bit, matching this one. And go forward just to here. And then curve again, that shape. Stop around there. And what did we do? We put a little dot. We imagined it straight down from there. Put in a little dot. And then go from here down to the dot. And then the other side. So we about to there. And her hoof is 2 lines. Now she's got 2 back legs. We'll do her front leg. Wee donkey's front will be about here. And it'll come down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Stop! Again, about here. That's the ground. Then we can put in hoof, and we'll finish off the other side of that leg. And I'm putting in just a tiny little bend here where her knee is. You can do that if you like. Or if you've done a straight line, it's absolutely fine. And then we put in a little line for her hoof. Now, 1 leg is taking a step up. That's what we're going to do now. So she's getting ready to take her first step in the adventure. Watch this. A bendy curve. About that far. And then the other side be just like this. And then we can put in her hoof up in the air. Okay? And that's her front leg. Do you think anything is missing? Maybe here? Let's put in a tail. So wee donkey's tail is another curve. And she has a little bit of furry fluff at the end of her tail. She also has some fur at the back of her head. We'll put in some hair. And that's the donkey's mane. Horses have a mane as well. And the very top of wee donkey's head, she has a squiggle of hair. Like this. You can give her any hairstyle that you like. Now, she could be in a field. We'll put her in her field where there's some grass. You can put in green grass, put in some daisies. And then the other flower that's in the pictures in the book are dandelions. And I'm going to put in one of those fluffy ones. You know the dandelion, where it's got its seeds in a round let's see if we can find a dandelion in the book. Here we have, you see, these dandelions, that's what I'm thinking of. And they're ready to be blown off to the wind and make a wish. So I'd put in little lines going towards the center. And then we could put in a yellow dandelion. We color it afterwards. Put in more yellow dandelions over here. You could put in any flowers that you like that you might see in the fields or in your garden. And there's wee donkey. If you'd like to share your drawing, hashtag wee donkey art. You can ask a grown-up to add the hashtag and you could have it shared. Happy drawing! That was really good fun. Bye.